So I currently work for Renishaw as a software engineer. The programming languages I use the most are probably C++, with some C and C#, WPF, and some Python as well for testing. So I think my main job is to provide innovative solutions to problems be solved by the software and to provide algorithms to do that. My normal day would look like turning up to work at 8 o'clock in the morning, sitting at my desk and using the tools we use are Visual Studio to do the coding in, and then once I'm happy with a piece of work to write tests that ensure the functionality is correct and ensures quality is going out to our customers, and then that piece of code will then become part of the final product. So when I was about 13, in the early stages of secondary school, I was pretty convinced I wanted to be a psychiatrist. I was encouraged to take quite a broad range of subjects anyway, so managed to take maths at school, but didn't take the physics classes. When I left school, I went on to do an HNC in social sciences, but pretty quickly realised, although I was interested in those subjects, I didn't want to pursue a career in social sciences or psychiatry. So I went to work for a few years in a number of different positions, including bar work and restaurant work and things. And then one day walked past the university and saw a course in artificial intelligence and robotics advertised on the university window and thought it sounded like fun. And then, yeah, after 4 years, graduated from there and moved on to my first proper job as an engineer working in Dundee for a company called NCR, who manufacture ATMs. Looked at quite a bit of RS-232 comms and became responsible for the service provider, which is what allows the bank application that you see on the ATM to talk to the actual machine. I decided after a few years I wanted to further my education and went back to university, to Cranfield University in Bedfordshire, to do a master's in computational and software techniques in engineering, where I specialised in digital image processing. And then was offered a position in Bristol for a company I worked for 5 years called Zuken, doing pure software engineering for them.